Welcome to the chapter in Minutes of Unlocking Inner Peace and Cultivating a Life Filled with Positivity, Resilience, and Fulfillment. In this comprehensive guide, we explore the profound principles and practical techniques that can help you achieve lasting serenity, even in the midst of life's challenges. Whether you're a beginner seeking clarity or an advanced seeker looking to deepen your practice, this book offers a roadmap to inner peace that is both engaging and educational. Introduction: The Quest for Inner Peace. Inner peace is not just the absence of conflict but a state of mental and emotional calmness that allows us to navigate life with grace and resilience. In a world filled with chaos and distractions, the pursuit of inner peace has become more important than ever. This book blends ancient wisdom, modern science, and practical techniques to help you unlock your inner peace and transform your life. Chapter 1: Understanding Inner Peace. Inner peace is a state of being where the mind is free from turmoil and the heart is filled with contentment. It is not dependent on external circumstances but is an internal state that can be cultivated through mindfulness, self-awareness, and intentional practices. This chapter explores the science behind inner peace, its historical roots in ancient philosophies like Stoicism and Buddhism, and practical steps to begin your journey. Chapter 2: The Power of Mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment, free from judgment or distraction. It allows us to observe our thoughts and emotions without getting caught up in them, leading to greater clarity and emotional balance. This chapter delves into the benefits of mindfulness, its historical context in Buddhist traditions, and practical techniques like mindful breathing, eating, and walking. Chapter 3: The Art of Meditation. Meditation is a powerful tool for cultivating inner peace and self-awareness. This chapter explores various forms of meditation, including mindfulness meditation, loving-kindness meditation, and transcendental meditation. Learn how to start a meditation practice, overcome common challenges, and experience the profound benefits of regular meditation. Chapter 4: Cultivating Compassion and Loving-Kindness. Compassion and loving-kindness are essential for achieving inner peace and fostering meaningful connections with others. This chapter introduces the practice of metta, loving-kindness, meditation, which involves directing love and compassion toward yourself and others. Discover how cultivating compassion can reduce stress, improve relationships, and enhance emotional well-being. Chapter 5: The Role of Gratitude in Inner Peace. Gratitude is the practice of recognizing and appreciating the positive aspects of life. It shifts our focus from what we lack to what we have, fostering a sense of contentment and joy. This chapter explores the science of gratitude, its historical roots in ancient philosophies, and practical techniques like keeping a gratitude journal and expressing thanks to others. Chapter 6: The Power of Forgiveness. Forgiveness is the act of letting go of resentment and anger toward those who have wronged us. It is a powerful tool for achieving inner peace, as it frees us from the emotional burden of past grievances. This chapter explores the benefits of forgiveness, its historical context in spiritual traditions, and practical steps to cultivate forgiveness in your life. Chapter 7: The Role of Self-Compassion in Inner Peace. Self-compassion involves treating yourself with the same kindness and understanding that you would offer to a close friend. It is essential for achieving inner peace, as it allows us to navigate life's challenges with greater resilience and self-acceptance. This chapter introduces self-compassion practices, including self-compassion meditation and positive self-talk. Chapter 8: The Importance of Living in the Present Moment. Living in the present moment is about fully engaging with the here and now, rather than being preoccupied with the past or future. This chapter explores the benefits of present moment awareness, its historical roots in mindfulness and Taoist traditions, and practical techniques like mindful breathing and mindful activities. Chapter 9: The Role of Positive Thinking in Inner Peace. Positive thinking is the practice of focusing on the positive aspects of life and maintaining an optimistic outlook, even in the face of challenges. This chapter explores the science of positive thinking, its historical context in Stoicism and Christianity, and practical techniques like gratitude journaling and positive affirmations. Chapter 10: The Role of Physical Health in Inner Peace. Physical health is the foundation of mental and emotional well-being. This chapter explores the connection between physical health and inner peace, emphasizing the importance of exercise, nutrition, sleep, and stress management. Learn how to create a holistic approach to physical health that supports your journey to inner peace. Chapter 11: The Role of Relationships in Inner Peace. Healthy relationships are essential for achieving inner peace. This chapter explores the importance of mutual respect, trust, and open communication in fostering meaningful connections. Learn how to cultivate empathy, set healthy boundaries, and navigate challenges in relationships with grace and compassion. Chapter 12, The Role of Purpose and Meaning in Inner Peace. Purpose and meaning provide a sense of direction and fulfillment in life. This chapter explores how to discover your purpose by aligning with your values, passions, and strengths. Learn how living a purposeful life can enhance emotional well-being, reduce stress, and contribute to lasting inner peace. Chapter 13, The Role of Nature in Inner Peace. Nature has a profound ability to restore inner peace and promote emotional well-being. This chapter explores the benefits of spending time in nature, from reducing stress to enhancing creativity. Learn how to incorporate nature into your daily life through practices like forest bathing, gardening, and mindful walks. Chapter 14, The Role of Spirituality in Inner Peace. Spirituality is the search for meaning, purpose, and connection to something greater than oneself. This chapter explores how spiritual practices like meditation, prayer, and reflection can foster inner peace and emotional well-being. Discover how to cultivate spirituality in a way that feels authentic and meaningful to you. Chapter 15, Integrating Inner Peace into Daily Life. Achieving inner peace is an ongoing process that requires consistency and intentionality. This chapter provides practical tips for integrating inner peace practices into your daily routine, from morning meditation to evening reflection. Learn how to overcome challenges and maintain a sense of peace, even in the midst of life's ups and downs. Conclusion, The Journey to Inner Peace. The journey to inner peace is a deeply personal and transformative experience. By understanding the principles of inner peace and applying the techniques outlined in this book, you can cultivate a life of balance, harmony, and fulfillment. Remember, inner peace is not a destination but a way of being. Embrace the journey, and let it guide you toward a life of positivity, resilience, and profound serenity. This book is your guide to unlocking inner peace and transforming your life. Through a blend of ancient wisdom, modern science, and practical techniques, you'll discover how to cultivate serenity, resilience, and joy in every aspect of your life. Whether you're seeking clarity, healing, or growth, this book offers the tools and inspiration you need to embark on your journey to inner peace. Why this book matters. In a world filled with stress, distractions, and uncertainty, inner peace is more important than ever. This book provides a comprehensive and accessible guide to achieving inner peace, offering practical techniques that can be easily integrated into daily life. By following the principles and practices outlined in this book, you can unlock your inner peace and create a life filled with positivity, resilience, and fulfillment. If you're ready to embark on a transformative journey to inner peace, this book is for you. Dive into its pages, explore the techniques, and begin your journey to a more peaceful, positive, and fulfilling life. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more insights and inspiration on unlocking inner peace. Let's walk this path together. Want the full book? Check out the link below to get your copy and dive deeper.